Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm SUA and I'm here to make your day. So for today's video, as you have read by the title, it's gonna be my birthday series part 3, the video where I show you what all gifts did I get for my birthday. So it's been a week since my birthday and I think this is the best time to show you all the gifts which I got for my birthday, and also that I have used a few and wanted to kind of give you a good review of all the things that I've got. Also, I hope you all liked the previous 2 parts of my birthday series, and if you did like those videos, please let me know in the comments below so that I can do more such videos, more such vlogs for you guys. So yeah, without delaying further, let me start with the first gift and the most wanted one for my birthday, which is a board game, which is called the Sequence. This is a really fun board game and we can play it with 2+ people, and it's a very strategy oriented and strategy focused kind of game. I've played this game already, I think, many times with my friends and with my roommates, and I still love this game and I never get bored of it. Now we've become like extra fast with the game and we gained enough speed to finish one game in like within 30 minutes or 20 minutes or something like that. It's a long game, so it usually goes up to 45 minutes to 1 hour because you need to strategize, you need to think, and you need to kind of win, plus also not let your opponent win. This is a really good game. I recommend if you are a board games fan, or if you are someone who collects board games and loves playing board games, I think this is a really good game to have. The next gift is a little bit of a artsy kind of gift, and I think my sister knows me well and she got this for me. It's a diamond painting kind of thing, and I have like a few other painting sets. So this is the one which I've already finished, so you can see that it is sparkly. And other than that, you get these in like these kind of palettes, or I don't know, boards kind of thing, where you can see they're like there are a few things which are numbered and lettered and stuff. So you get separate sequence packets which have those letters and numbers on them, and according to that letter or number, the color is named. So you get those in different packets where you have to kind of like stick it on top of this. So this is kind of like a sticker kind of thing. There's a peeling thing where you peel off the top layer and it becomes really sticky. So on top of that, you need to stick those sequins so that the colors are matched. And this is how the final product is. So there were numbers below this and numbers or letters below this, which coincided with the color of the sequence. So according to that, you stick the sequence on top of this, and it makes this kind of bookmarks, or kind of like decorative pieces where you can stick it on the wall, and very sparkly kind of thing. So it's called diamond art painting. So I've always wanted something like this from a really long time, and my sister knew about it, and she finally got me this, and I was like really happy with it. And I was like really shocked that she had this in mind and she remembered it. And another thing she got me, my roommate also had bought it earlier, and literally as soon as I saw that, my eyes lit up that time. It's called a vision board book, where you have like different pictures to add for your vision board. And as you know, I do vision boards for every year, and kind of like it is interesting for me to have these pictures with me and do a vision board kind of thing. You can see I have one vision board here and one vision board here. This one is the old one and this one is the new one, which is for the year 2026, and this one was for 2025. So yeah, I'm a vision board kind of person, so I think this is also a really good gift. My sister is, I don't know, she's just the best sister, thankfully. She's got me good thoughtful gifts for the first, not for the first time, but yeah, she's got me good thoughtful gifts this time, which is really sweet of her and really nice of her to get. The next few gifts are from my friends, and also the sequence game was also from my friend. So this was given by another friend who was once my roommate, and she also remembered something which I always wanted, and kind of like I ran out of it earlier when I was her roommate, and she got me this. This is a perfume which I ran out of and I always loved, and this is a body lotion kind of thing of the same fragrance. And then my roommates got me this phone cover for my new phone, and as you all know, I got a new phone after I graduated, and I didn't have an alternative cover for it. So my roommates got me a cute blue color phone cover, and you know I'm obsessed with blue, so I was like really happy that I got a new cover. And one of my roommate got a moisturizer cream, which I always, you know, it's kind of like something which I am never enough of. This is something which I never tried earlier, and it is something which I wanted to try, and thankfully my roommate got it. And then one of my friends got me a cute ring, which is this one. It's a cute one. And another friend of mine, he had written a book and he gave me the first copy of his book ever published. So this is the book which he had written, and he gave me the first copy, which is really sweet of him to do, and it is something I would have never thought he would do for me. So I think it's a really special book because he gave me the first published copy of it. So this is another gift my friend got me for my birthday. Lego flower. The day he got me, immediately that time itself I kind of like sat and made it. It looked really pretty and I was like, I need to make this right away. And it's also blue, which is my favorite color. So yeah, that is all the gifts I received for my birthday. And I think these are very, very, very thoughtful gifts, and I'll cherish them all my life. And I think now it's on YouTube as well, which is, you know, easy for me to remember that I got these gifts even if they get over. And that is it for all the gifts that I received this birthday. And I think my birthday was really low-key and I hardly did anything. I didn't go out on my birthday, but yeah, I did go out and celebrated kind of thing, pre-birthday kind of thing on the Santa Cruz day. So Tuesday we hardly did anything. We just did a little cake cutting at night, 12 o'clock, and I had a few friends over, and we had snacks, we were talking, we were chit-chatting, and had cake, and then they left around like 1-ish. We hardly did anything. I didn't go out. It was raining as well that day. I just got dressed at home, you know, just chilled and relaxed, and you know, very, very lazy birthday this time it was. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel below. Also, thank you all for giving me this much love to my shorts, my Eid short and my birthday short as well. If you do like these kind of videos, please let me know in the comments below. I'll be really happy to do more vlogs and more daily life kind of vlogging for you guys. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.